Hey everyone, Kurt from Willow Lee. Today's tip is on irrigation and water conservation. A healthy, well-managed lawn can handle a significant amount of stress. If you do have an irrigation system, start with setting it to water heavily once a week, ideally an inch a week in the heated season is adequate levels of moisture. What we don't want is frequent daily waterings. Our grass plants become shallow rooted. When they're shallow rooted, they don't handle near as many stresses. There are many homes that don't have an irrigation system, and that's just fine. Use a well-balanced fertilizer program. Keep your grass healthy spring and fall. It will go dormant in the summer. If it's been maintained well with the nutrient program, it will handle that drought. It will stop growing. Stop mowing, reduce your traffic. When we receive rainfall, it'll green back up again. Carry on your fertility program. Grass is much more resistant than we think.